Hey everyone, I'm Justin Dombrosky, a fourth-year pharmacy student from the West Virginia University School of Pharmacy, and today we're going to do a fun experiment that shows how pharmacy and chemistry are related. Have you ever had a really bad headache and taken some medicine to help it go away? Well, how does a pharmacist help you decide which medication is best for you? Well, one factor is how fast your body can absorb the medication. Let's find out in this experiment between two different pHs of the body. Here, we've got two flasks of warm water. One flask has a pH of 7, which is closer to your intestines, while the other flask has a pH of 1.4, which is closer to that of the stomach. Now watch closely as we begin to stir the first medication, ibuprofen. What do you notice? The ibuprofen starts to disappear faster as it dissolves in the water with a pH of 7.0. This is important because the medication must dissolve before your body can actually use it, but ibuprofen isn't absorbed as well in the stomach, which is closer to the pH of 1.4 container. So what if you wanted the medication to dissolve faster in the stomach? In this second experiment, we will be adding acetaminophen rapid-releasing gels into the two flasks with the same pHs, 7.0 and 1.4. What do you notice this time? Exactly, the acetaminophen is dissolving faster in the 1.4 pH flask, so it will dissolve faster in your stomach and start to work faster too. This is why when you look at both of these medications, the acetaminophen will start to work faster before the ibuprofen, as it will dissolve in the stomach and not in the intestines. Now I'll have Dr. Galvez explain how pharmacists use this property when reviewing patients' medications.
On the first experiment, you saw how this tablet of ibuprofen was dissolved faster in the pH 7. That is something that we are going to be using a lot in pharmacy, knowing where my drug is going to be soluble, because until the drug is not soluble, it cannot be absorbed and it won't be able to have the effect. Now, sometimes the properties of the drugs can be modified by compounding and formulation, and that is what you saw in the second experiment when we have a fast-release tablet. This tablet will have a film that actually will be sensitive with the acidic pH, and you saw how the tablet was actually opening up and quickly dissolving in the acidic pH. Again, it is a different molecule, we have a different solubility, but we can play around using the excipients. So again, all these concepts that you are learning in class, in school, about chemistry, about solubility, about pH, is going to be helping to really make decisions of which drug will be the best to give to the patient and which dosage form can we be given or modify to adapt to the needs of every patient. Thank you.